All right, guys, we're up here at the barn, and gonna do a few things here. Some of these walls that we took down from over here, I got to cut up and get out of here, and clean up a little bit more right here. And then we got, if you can see out there, it is partly sunny out, but we ordered some. It's called crushed slag. Like I said, that's like the impurities off the top of steel, and they use that for whatever. But we're gonna bring that in the aisleway, get that all nice and level and tamped in, and eventually I will start working on that side over there, getting it straightened up. But our goal for right now is to get the pig side done and that back of that barn tore down. But we want to get this leveled up because we can't take the pigs off. This is probably a 6-inch drop right here, so can't take the pigs off that, or they won't go off that. They'll just freeze up and not want to move. So let's get at cutting these pieces of wall up and get them out of here. Some big nails he put in here. Big. right, that's it for today. We got this in. Tomorrow we're going to go ahead and tamp it and then fill in the low spots. But that's it for today. If you guys like this video, give me a thumbs up, and I'll catch you guys in the next one.